Welcome to my channel, everyone. In this video, we're going to go over Robinhood versus TD Ameritrade versus ETrade, which broker is going to best suit you, and I'm going to be going over what broker and platform I use, along with some pros and cons of each one, why it best suits me. Now, a broker has a lot to do with successful trading, as every second counts. Every execution, every fill cannot be delayed. Think of it like a broker being your home. You want to feel comfortable, you want to feel safe in your home. Same thing with your broker. You want it to be reliable and not cause you any problems. Before we do begin, all I could ask is if you learn anything from this video, if you want a good trading resource with daily trading recaps, trading tips and tricks, I'm going to link my Instagram in the description below. You're definitely missing out if you aren't following this. Robinhood is one of the most popular brokers among new and beginning retail traders, just because they were one of the first brokers to introduce commission-free trading on stock trades, and they gained a lot of popularity between that. But now pretty much every other broker is in competition with one another, so every other broker offers commission-free trading as well. Another reason why Robinhood is so popular is because it's super easy to open up an account. All you got to do on your phone is download the Robinhood app, enter your information, verify your identity, and now you have a stock trading account where you could purchase, buy, and sell stocks right from anywhere on your phone. So that's the pro. It's easily accessible and very user-friendly on your phone. Now, this could also be a con because of how user-friendly it is and how easily accessible it is. Many traders treat it as a video game or a gambling site, and because of this, many of them get addicted to it. They gamble, they lose their full account value, and they'll even YOLO some option positions, and if they don't understand options, they can lose their full premium. Again, this is just my opinion, but trading has a lot to do with psychology, and the dopamine effect, the rush, the addiction with certain brokers is a serious thing, and it'll affect our trading decisions. Now, a lot of new traders think they get rich into this game, and they'll hop into Robinhood. They'll use technology, they'll use their phone, and they'll turn it into a video game. On Robinhood, if you want to buy and sell something, confetti pops up. They make it seem fun and interesting. Arrows are flashing red and green. Lines are shaking, glowing screens. And this psychologically will tap into a force in your head, in your human brain, which will release dopamine, and it makes our trading seem easy. It makes it addicting, and it gives us an adrenaline rush where we constantly want to buy and sell and make profit and try to get rich quick. So that's just my opinion, but I know Robinhood has a lot of influence in a lot of retail traders, and not a lot of retail traders understand the real backbone to trading and how important psychology is to successful trading or not. Robinhood does not give an option for cash accounts. Their standard account, what they give everybody, is what's called a margin account. And with margin accounts, if you have under $25,000, you're a pattern day trader, and you're going to be restricted to making only 3 day trades in a 5-day period. But with other brokers, you're allowed to enable a cash account where you use the cash in your account. You can make unlimited day trades. You can make 10 trades in a single day under 25,000 and not get restricted under the pattern day trader rule. Other brokers will offer this. Robinhood does not. And another con is Robinhood does not include a trading platform like other brokers and platforms have. Robinhood is only accessible via the phone or the web page, and a trading platform is very key because execution is very crucial, and the user-friendly, the whole interface between the platform and buying and selling has to be very fluent and easy to use. So TD Ameritrade, unlike Robinhood, will allow you to have a cash account. So I recommend, if you have under 25,000, you're looking to day trade, I would recommend opening up a cash account either with TD Ameritrade or ETrade, but any broker usually will have an option to use cash. And with TD Ameritrade, they offer ThinkorSwim. I'm sure many of you have heard of it. ThinkorSwim is a great platform for charting, for scanning, for analyzing, for watching the market. It's very beginner friendly, and it's very user friendly. It's very easy to get over the learning curve once you start understanding what is important and what is not important. But the con to TD Ameritrade is the poor platform performance. They do not have the best stock and option fills because of the performance of the platform. So even if you have a very good spec'd out PC, and you have multiple charts loaded up on one, running on one ThinkorSwim, the lag is going to be decent. It's not going to be the worst. It's not going to be the best, but every second in trading counts. If something's delayed, and you have to go to the trade tab, and it takes you a while to load up the contracts to actually send an order out, and by the time you put the order out, the stock started moving, but because the platform lagged, you might have missed out on a second or so. That second could cause you a couple cents, couple pennies on the option, on the stock, and that's crucial in trading. So because of the poor platform performance, they do not offer the best option in stock fills. So for execution wise, TD Ameritrade is a little lower in my opinion compared to what we're going to get into next on ETrade, but still overall very good charting platform. For charts, very, very simple. It's simplistic, very user friendly. The scanning tool, I don't scan for stocks, but the scanning tool I heard is very good. Market Watch, the trade tab for look at the option chain. If you want me to go more into depth on how to look at and use ThinkorSwim, drop a like on this and comment so I can know to make a video in the future. ETrade, again, same as TD Ameritrade. You can have a cash account. So if you're looking to day trade with under 25K, either TD Ameritrade or ETrade. But I like ETrade better. They have smooth platform performance. And because of the smooth platform performance, their executions and their fills are very solid. I just started using ETrade again this week, and I've had no problems compared to what I've been having on ThinkorSwim, on TD Ameritrade. I've used ETrade in the past, but I switched out of it because I would love the simplicity of the TOS charts and how easy it was for me to link up my chart to my order. But I've been having nothing but good things to say about ETrade's performance and their filling prices compared to when I put the order out to when I get filled to the actual pricing of the premium of the option when I actually do click that buy button. The only con to ETrade is that they do not have the best charts, and it's not very user friendly, and in my opinion is a little more complex and more difficult to understand where certain things go. This is a look at ETrade Pro. I'm not too sure if they offer this anymore. I believe if you contact support, they could send you a download link, but the new platform is ETrade Power of ETrade, I believe it's called. So this is ETrade Pro, and again, the charts on this are not bad, but compared to ThinkorSwim, I'm not a fan of how these look. It doesn't look very clean. It looks a little too messy for me. But the other things, what's cool about this is here I have the option chain linked. Here I have the time and sales and the level 2 basically of whatever chart I'm looking at. And let's say I want to trade an option. All I have to do is click whatever I'm trying to trade. If I'm trying to trade calls, I click the call, and look what happens. This chart up here populates to Apple's 132 calls, and now this level 2 populates to Apple's 132 calls. So if I'm looking to buy Apple, all I got to do is adjust my contract size. I could actually click the bid, and it's going to bring my contracts to whatever I set as default. And I could just mess with the price. I could buy to open. I could sell straight from here. And then on the top left right here, it's going to tell me if it was completed. Did I buy? How many contracts were filled? The price I entered at, and the current bid versus ask. So everything I need is on one screen. There's no reason to flip back and forth. It's very easy for you to get fills. And you can't see it now because the market's closed, but as the market is actually trading and we're generating information, we're processing information through the platform, there is zero lag through this. If I click this, it's going to populate it right away. Whereas on ThinkorSwim, if I pull that back up, if I want to go, to my option chain, click something, go to buy, by the time all of these quotes are moving in real time, this is delayed. The prices are delayed. So the performance on this really slacks, in my opinion. But what I personally do, my setup right now is I have multiple monitors, and I have multiple monitors of ThinkorSwim charts. I leave them on there. I don't touch them. I let them sit throughout the day. And because of that, I'm not actually clicking different things on ThinkorSwim. I'm just looking at the charts. And whenever I'm ready to purchase something, I have ETrade opened up on another monitor on my laptop, and I get the contracts ready, and I switch the size, I get my price ready to go, and I hit buy when I'm ready. Zero lag. I've been doing this week and it's been working out very well for me, and I want to continue using ETrade. I'm enjoying it very, very well as a broker and for execution wise. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope you all learned something. These are the 3 platforms. I'm not going to tell you what to do. These are just all my opinions. I personally would stay away from Robinhood. In my opinion, it's too much of a video game. It's too enticing for retail traders that have zero knowledge of how to actually trade, whether you're swing trading or day trading. It's a big trap. They make it seem super easy. They confetti popping out. So I would focus, if you want good executions, good fills, go to ETrade, chart on TD Ameritrade, and avoid Robinhood completely. If you have under 25K, it's a no-brainer to close your Robinhood account and switch to a different broker. So hope you all enjoyed. Drop a like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and also make sure to follow me on Instagram. Peace.